believe it or not, the air conditioner stopped working.
Well, hello everybody. Night before last, we spent the night at a county park campground, and it was in northern Indiana, but it was still super hot. It was in the 90s.
It was 96.
It was so hot. Our air conditioner was running overtime.
Yeah.
Had a hard time keeping our refrigerator cold, and so on the drive up to Michigan from there, also we were starting to get into the smoke from the wildfires that were coming down from Canada.
Yeah,
Well, we just made a stop before entering the loop around Lansing. We needed to get some gas, and it is more expensive here than it has been. We had been averaging about $3.15 a gallon, and it is $4.30 here. So that will run my $3.15 average by quite a bit. It's almost $1 a gallon more here. I hope that's not how it is for the rest of our time in Michigan, but it certainly might be. We're also dealing with the smoke. It gets worse as we head north, and I'm sure it's going to probably be even worse when we get to Petoskey, but we're going to get back out on the road and get to our destination. So we started our drive up to Michigan, and along the way we decided that we were going to be staying at a Harvest Host. We thought it might not be the best idea because we didn't really want to sleep with the windows open. The air quality up in northern Michigan was in the hazardous range. And so we thought, well, maybe we'll switch over to a site that had electricity. So we were lucky. One spot came open at Petoskey State Park.
And here we are, just 100 feet from the water right here.
Yeah, so we were fortunate to grab that last night, but the problems continue today.
We have more problems. Let's go back to the RV. We just enjoyed a little bit of the Lake Michigan this morning, but we got things to do.
Yeah.
Let's go over and let me show you what else happened. Let's go. All right, we're back in Maggie, and believe it or not, the air conditioner stopped working. So let me show you what happened. I can put the fan on low. Here it comes. You may or not be able to hear it, but running just fine, but it's just the fan. But when I try to turn the air conditioner on, this is what happens. There it goes. It loses about 25% power. Just keeps dipping. There it goes again. And it's not blowing out any cold air. All right, so I've got the air conditioner off, so nothing breaks any further. So Rhonda was able to get an appointment at the only RV maintenance. We drove by it last night. It's a small shop. Hopefully they had that part, and hopefully that's it.
Denial, denial, denial. Come in.
We got to pack up. We got to be there in an hour, so we still need to hook up and go dump some water and get on over there. It's only about 5 or 10 minutes, so sorry for the quick interruption.
But we just wanted to give you guys an update. We started out on our little journey here with some things going wrong, like our air conditioner breaking, with all the smoke coming in from Canada, but it has cleared up. We got our air conditioner fixed that first day, and right after that, the smoke cleared out and has really just been gone the whole time we've been here. So we've had beautiful blue skies. You can see all the sailboats behind us, and it's turned into a really beautiful time here. Thank you so much for sticking with us through all of that. Now back to the fun. Okay, so time to get all of this packed up. I was really ready to just be in one spot for a little while. But one thing about being on the road, you just have to be flexible and be ready for anything that comes along. I think we've been lucky in the 5 years that we've been doing this that nothing else has really happened like this too much. So let's get it all packed away. So much just goes on the bed whenever we're moving. It seems to be a great place to just throw everything for a short period of time. When it comes to packing up, Mike and I usually divide and conquer. I get everything situated inside the camper, and he starts on the stuff outside, and then we kind of work in tandem whenever we're hooking up. Well, fortunately, the RV Service Center was only about 4 miles from where we were staying, so we were able to get over here this morning. Had a 9:30 appointment. We're dropping Maggie off here, and it is at the Petoskey RV USA. Real nice gentleman inside is going to be helping us looking at the air conditioner and seeing what needs to be done. Hoping it's just the capacitor and we don't need a whole new air conditioner, but we'll find out. We're going to go into town and try to find something to do for a little while they have a look at it. Just so grateful and blessed that we were able to get in someplace. We stopped at Sunset Park, just parked up here on top and walked down the little staircase, and it's so beautiful here along the lakefront. There's flowers, there's a waterfall, a little stream here, and it's right along the greenway. We rode our bikes here when we were here a few years ago. We didn't bring our bikes this time, but it's a beautiful trail, and it's right along the waterfront. You can see it's still really hazy from the smoke. There's not a lot of visibility, but we're hoping that'll lift in a little bit. But we're gonna just kind of hang out here for a while and then go maybe grab a pastry at a little bakery that's down the street, and while we're waiting to hear back about the camper. So we'll catch up with you a little later. It's the most amazing smell in the whole world. I want to take one of the maple covered buns here. She was saying that they're thinking the smoke's gonna stick with us for a bit, or?
Like, get better, tonight, tomorrow. But on Monday they were saying it was supposed to come back this way and bring it all back. Hopefully they're wrong.
After walking around at Sunset Park, we felt like treating ourselves a little bit.
Donut.
We came to Johan's Bakery. We've been here before once. You can just smell the fresh baked bread coming out of the door. It was hard to choose because everything looked so good, but I went with my classic, which is something with maple on it. So I'm not really sure. It's about the size of my head.
That looks good.
Yeah, so I think it's kind of like a cinnamon roll type thing with maple glaze. And it's good.
Got a giant apple fritter that weighs about a pound.
That looked really good too. I think we're gonna have to come back because I need to try a few more things. Well, we're here picking up Maggie at Petoskey RV USA. So glad that they were able to get us in on such short notice. Really saved us. They were able to install a new air conditioner for us. Actually a big upgrade, I guess, from what we had before.
Yeah, the Coleman Slim is what we had for 5 years, and he said it just died, everything locked up, it was running hot, so they put on the new 18,000 BTU, which we had a 13,500 Furrion, and it's a little bit, probably about 4 inches or so taller, which from what we understand was supposed to be the air conditioner that came with the RV, but due to what COVID had
a Furrion. Usually they come with a Furrion on the Grand Designs, but this is ours is a 2021, and my understanding was when we bought her is that there was kind of a shortage of parts, and so some got Coleman, some got Furrion. We ended up with a Coleman. Worked fine for 5 years, but now we've got an upgrade.
So to close this one out, the Petoskey RV USA really helped us out. Big thanks to them. We're gonna go finally get set up at Magnus Park in Petoskey, Michigan, and give it a test and close it out from there after we test it. Make sure this thing works.
Let's go check it out. Well, we made it to Magnus Park, got our camper all set up, and we're able to try out the new air conditioner. And it is a significant upgrade from the one that we had, so it took us a little bit of time to kind of figure it all out, but it's running. We got cold air, and so that's a blessing. It was very fortunate that we were able to find the place that we did that was open, were able to get us in, had an air conditioner in stock that would work for our camper. And so we're just feeling very blessed to have that happen. You know, when you have something like this happen on the road, you just never know. I mean, it could put you, down could change your itinerary. You know, it can change a lot of things, but we're fortunate that all it took was, you know, just the better part of a morning, and they were able to get that done for us. So feeling really good about that. Now we can kind of relax and start enjoying our adventure here in Petoskey. So we'll see you down the road.